Hello friends, welcome back. Let's learn some phrases to make your speech more connected, weightage and attractive. And life is already too short, so don't take major time for minor things. Okay, let's dive in. Okay, so the first phrase is your guess is as good as mine. Your guess is as good as mine. You use this phrase when you don't know. Let's suppose if I've asked that, hey, do you know the pronunciation of this word? So instead of saying, I don't know, you can say, hey, your guess is as good as mine. Your guess is as good as mine. It means you don't know. Okay, next phrase. Thank you. That's very thoughtful of you. Thanks. That's very thoughtful of you. Okay, so you use this phrase when you describe someone thoughtful. Okay, so you describe someone thoughtful. Why? Because that person remember your needs, how you feel, what you like, what you don't like. So you can say, hey, thanks. That's very thoughtful of you. That's very thoughtful of you. See example. Hey, thanks for calling when I was ill. It was very thoughtful of you. It was very thoughtful of you. Okay, so next phrase is, don't make things up. Don't make things up. We use this phrase to say something not true in order to mislead, deceive or fool someone. See example. All you say is lie, I can't believe anymore. So don't make things up. Okay, you can use like this. All you say is lie, I can't believe anymore. So don't make things up. So next phrase is, it's easier said than done. It's easier said than done. You use this phrase when something seems like a good idea but would be difficult to do. Okay, so you can say it's easier said than done. It's easier said than done. Okay, just see example here. Okay, if I say you can work on your pronunciation, that's not that difficult. So you would be saying like this, I can do, it's easier said than done. It's easier said than done. I can do, but it's easier said than done. Okay, so the next phrase is, what's that supposed to mean? What's that supposed to mean? What's that supposed to mean? We use this phrase to express disagreement with surprise. In order to give reply to another person, we are not, agreeing with that thing, and at the same time we are shocked. So we can say, what's that supposed to mean? What's that supposed to mean? Okay, so let me explain how we can use it. Okay, let's suppose you have asked something to me and somewhere I'm not agreeing or I'm not comfortable with that, right? So I would be just, I would be saying like this, what's that supposed to mean? What's that supposed to mean? Okay, because I am disagreeing and my disagreement, it is mixed. My disagreement is mixed with surprise. That's why I'm saying, hey, what's that supposed to mean? What's that supposed to mean? Okay, so that is enough for today. So I am done with the 5 phrases you can use in your speech to make your speech more connected, weightage and attractive. Okay, so don't forget to subscribe this channel if you want to learn more like this. Okay, bye bye.